Hey guys, it's Vivian. So today we are going to do hair. So if you want to know how to go ahead and create this sleek look, keep on watching. So the way that I created this look is first I shampooed and conditioned my hair. Now the shampoo and conditioner that I really love to use is Moroccanoil shampoo, Moroccanoil, and Moroccanoil conditioner. Now, the reason why I love these two shampoos and conditioners is because it actually is not that expensive. They are at a reasonable cost. So even if you have super long hair and you need to wash your hair every day, you can still go ahead and do that and it's not going to cost that much. Now, what I also like to go ahead and do is when I'm conditioning my hair is I like to use the Oribe conditioner at the tips of my hair. This one, it is a little bit more pricey, but it does make your hair so soft and very just smooth to the touch. Now the straightener that I like to go ahead and use is called the T3. And the reason why I love the straightener is because it actually has a guide which actually tells you when you have reached the temperature, the correct temperature for your hair. So my hair, it is a little bit on the thick side, so I always will have it a bit higher for the heat. Now, what I like to go ahead and do with my hair is I like to go ahead and just flip it a little bit underneath so that way I can get that curve going in, and it just gives me a very sleek look. Now, as you can see, our hair, it's been straightened, it's been blow dried, so we have a nice sleek look. Now all we need to go ahead and do is we're just going to go ahead and add a little bit of just volume on the top just to zhuzh it up a little bit. That way it's not so against, our face and head. Now, what I like to go ahead and do for this is I like to go ahead and use the Oribe Texturizing spray. One of the reasons why I love this texturizing spray is because it smells amazing and it is a little bit strong on the smell, but the great thing is that it just stays in your hair all day. And literally at the end of the day, even at the end of the day, you can still smell it on your hair. So what I like to go ahead and do is take my Denman brush and I will go ahead, flip the hair up, flip the hair to the opposite side, shake it up, and we spray. Of course, you want to work it in. I know we're going to look a little crazy right now, but it's going to come out wonderful. So what I then go ahead and I do is take this part, get very close to those roots, and just fluff it up. What we're doing is we're creating the volume from within the hair when we do that. So we're lifting the hair up, spritzing it, and what we're going to go ahead and do is then do it on the other side as well. On this side, we're going to part it a little bit, shake it up, and spray it away. You also want to go ahead and do it wherever you want to part your hair as well. You're going to get a little bit on the back as well. So, yes, this is how we end up looking. No, I'm totally joking. So now we're going to go ahead and take our Denman brush and you're going to go ahead and you're going to work that in. And you are going to just smooth everything out. You're going to just smooth everything out as much and just work it in. And that is it. That is how we get a smooth and sleek look, which you can wear pretty much anywhere. I mean, this is pretty much a universal hairstyle, so you pretty much wear this anywhere. This is work appropriate, anywhere that you want to go ahead and look very polished and very put together. This is pretty much the go-to hairstyle. So that is it. That is how we get a smooth and sleek look with some of those products that I have mentioned. Thank you so much for watching my video. And again, if you want to go ahead and see more videos like this, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.